In this tutorial, you'll learn how to quickly change an image's background color using GIMP. First, open your Downloads folder to locate the image file you want to edit. Then, select the Fuzzy Select tool to help you choose the background area based on color similarity. Next, scroll down to the Select By option and choose Composite. Now, return to your design and click on the background of your design. This will create a separate selection area for the background. Click the Colors menu to start adjusting your image's color properties. Select the Hue Saturation option to open the adjustment dialog. Drag the Hue slider to shift the background color, then adjust the Saturation slider until you're satisfied with the result. You've just learned how to change a background color in GIMP.